Lecture 9. IS versus IT. Information systems are the combination of strategic, managerial and operational activities and related processes involved in gathering, processing, storing, distributing and using information and its associated technologies. Whereas IT is defined as the hardware, software, communication and other facilities used to input, store, process, transmit and output the data. There are three elements of the information processing system: people, process, and technology. Hence, IS is the superset and IT is one of the aspects of the information processing system. Therefore, IT is a subset of IS.